Standing cable decline chest press with dual hook straight bar targets the lower chest while also engaging your shoulders and triceps. Here's how to do it correctly. Adjust both pulleys of a cable machine to slightly above shoulder level, then attach a dual hook straight bar. While facing out from the cable machine, grab the straight bar with an overhand palms facing down grip with your arms slightly wider than shoulder width. The bar should be at chest height with your elbows bent at a 45-degree angle to your body. Take a step forward to create tension in the cables, then get into a staggered stance with a slight bend in your knees and a slight forward lean. Tighten your core and maintain a neutral spine and keep your chest up. Begin the movement by pressing the bar down and forward in a controlled motion, aiming to lower the bar to be in alignment with your belly button. Focus on squeezing your chest muscles as you push the bar down, extending your arms fully while keeping your elbows slightly soft at the end of the movement. Under control, slowly reverse the movement by bringing the bar back to the starting position, allowing your elbows to bend and stretch your chest. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.